In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can add WhatsApp chat to your Shopify. Now, this is very easy and quick. First thing, you want to go to this website. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything. It's called like website, like elfsite.com. Okay, this is the name of the website. First, you want to click on sign up or login. If you have an account on Elfsite, you want to click on login. If you don't have it, click on sign up free. It will take you a few seconds to create an account. Now I'm going to click on login right now because I already have an account. Now next thing guys you want to do is you want to select here WhatsApp you want to select here WhatsApp chat. As you can see, click on create widget. It will take you to this page where you can select different templates. Okay, I don't know why this is taking so much time. Yeah, you just want to select a template here. As you can see, this template, you can select the blue one, you can select this one, you can select support. Now I'm going to go with general one. Click on continue with this template, and here you can customize the appearance. For example, yeah, you can customize this as you want. This is how it will look on your Shopify store. Now you want to edit this. So then click done. You can customize this as you want. Click on settings and you can change everything you want: position, chat, display settings, open chat triggers. Now after you customize this as you want to click on add to website. Alright, now it will ask you guys to select a plan. If it doesn't ask you, it will say, like, if it asks you to select a plan, just go with the free plan. Okay, now it didn't ask me, but sometimes they are asking you to select a plan. Like I said, just go with the free plan, it's enough. Now the next thing you want to do guys, you want to click to copy code. Just click on this code. It says here copied. Now you want to go to your Shopify store. Okay, now you want to click on online store in the left, and you want to click on these three little dots. You either see your three little dots or actions. Okay, click on it and click on edit code, and you want to click on theme liquid in the left. Now you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to keep scrolling, and this, like, as you can see, there is body and HTML. You want to paste that code between body and HTML. Okay, after you click on body, you want to make a space and paste that code there. Okay, this is the code. Ctrl V or paste it manually, just like this, and then click paste. Now after you put that code between body and HTML, you want to click on save. Now I'm going to go to my store right now, and I'm going to see if we can see the WhatsApp chat there. Okay, now you can see here, this is WhatsApp chat. I have successfully added WhatsApp chat. Now you just want to connect guys your you just want to connect it. If you don't know how to connect it, just go to YouTube and you will find a lot of videos about that. So that's exactly guys how you can that's how you can add WhatsApp chat to your as you can see, you want to click on it, click on free WhatsApp chat widget, and you can like select other templates if you want. So see you guys next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.